Ethers always feel confusing at first, but once you know where to start, the name basically writes itself. That's because ether naming always follows the same 3 steps. No memorizing, just follow the steps, and the name comes together. Let's make this easy with a 3-step game plan. First, circle the oxygen. Then, pick the parent chain. And finally, name the other side as an alkoxy substituent. If you follow these steps in order, you'll be fine. Alright, let's look at step 3 a little more closely. This is the easiest step. You're just turning an alkyl group into an alkoxy group. All you do is add oxy to the name. So methyl becomes methoxy. Ethyl becomes ethoxy. Isopropyl becomes isopropoxy. Terp-butyl becomes terp-butoxy. And phenyl becomes phenoxy. That's it, no new rules, just a name change. Alright, example 1. Step 1 is always the same. Circle the oxygen. Once you do that, the molecule naturally splits into 2 sides. On this side, we have a methyl group, and on the other side, we have a terp-butyl group. Now step 2. Choose the parent. For ethers, the parent is the bigger carbon side. Here, this side is clearly larger, so that's our parent. Now step 3. Name the alkoxy substituent and number everything. Our parent is propane, so we number that chain 1, 2, 3. The oxygen is attached at carbon 2, so the alkoxy group is 2-methoxy. There's also a methyl group on that same carbon, so that's 2-methyl. Putting it all together, the name is 2-methoxy-2-methylpropane. Let's look at another example. First, circle the oxygen. That splits the molecule into 2 sides, and here, both sides are propyl. Now step 2. Choose the parent. This is a symmetrical ether, so both sides are the same. That means either side works as the parent. Now step 3. The parent is propane, and we number the parent starting from the oxygen. The other side is propyl, so the substituent is 1-propoxy. And putting it all together, the IUPAC name is 1-propoxypropane. Now this one's a little different. It has a ring, but we'll still start the same way with step 1. Circle the oxygen. Step 2. Choose the parent. Since there's a ring, the ring is the parent. Now step 3. Our parent is cyclopentane, so we number the ring to give the lowest numbers. At carbon 1, we have a methyl group and a methoxy group. So we list the substituents with their numbers, 1-methyl and 1-methoxy, on cyclopentane. The IUPAC name here is 1-methoxy-1-methylcyclopentane. Hope you're liking this so far. Now let's look at something a bit more advanced. In this example, when you circle the oxygen, you'll notice there are actually 2 oxygens. Now the real question is, who's the parent? Here, the OH group has priority, so the alcohol chain becomes the parent compared to ether. Now you know this step. Since the OH group is the parent, we number the chain starting from the alcohol. It gives the parent pentan 1-ol. The ether becomes a substituent, and it's a methoxy group at carbon 4, so we call it 4-methoxy. So the final IUPAC name here is 4-methoxy, pentan 1-ol. If this helped, follow me for more videos like this.